There are great exercises that you can do without equipment to transform your body quickly and to stay healthy and strong till 100 years old. Here are several best exercises you can follow. 1. Squat. To do a squat exercise, start with your feet shoulder width apart, and with your chest up and your core tightened, lower your body by bending at the hips and knees until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Then, push through your heels to stand back up. Squat exercises have many benefits, including strengthening your leg muscles, improving balance and flexibility, boosting calorie burn, and enhancing overall strength and mobility. They also help to tone your glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps. 2. Plank. To perform a plank, start on your hands and knees, with your hands shoulder width apart and your toes tucked under. Slowly extend your legs straight back behind you, raising your body up onto your forearms and toes. Keep your core engaged, your hips level, and your neck in a neutral position. Hold this position for as long as you can. The benefits of planking include strengthening your core muscles, improving your posture, reducing back pain, and increasing overall stability and balance. Planking can also help to build endurance and increase flexibility. 3. Push-up. To do a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands shoulder width apart and your body in a straight line. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the ground, then push back up to the starting position. Benefits of push-ups include strengthening the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, as well as improving upper body endurance and posture. 4. Glute bridge exercise. To do a glute bridge exercise, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the ground. Then, lift your hips up towards the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. Hold for a few seconds before lowering your hips back down. Benefits of this exercise include strengthening the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, improving posture, and reducing back pain. Five. Abdominal crunches exercise. To perform abdominal crunches, lie flat on your back with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, and hands supporting your head. Lift your upper body off the ground towards your knees, contracting your abdominal muscles. Exhale as you lift up and inhale as you lower back down. Repeat for desired repetitions. The benefits of abdominal crunches include strengthening and toning the abdominal muscles, improving posture, and potentially reducing lower back pain.